Hi, I'm Dazi. I'm GIS Technical Account Manager at what3words. I'm going to take you through the steps required to add the what3words locator to ArcGIS Online. Before we begin, you'll need to have your what3words API key to complete this tutorial. First, log into your ArcGIS Online portal using your normal ArcGIS Online login. Go to the content and click on New Item. Select from the list URL option. Enter the following URL for what3words locator. And from the type, select ArcGIS Web Service. And select store credentials with service and do not prompt for authentication. Then click Next. When prompted, use your email address as a username and your what3words API key for password. Then click Next. Change the title and tags for the geocoding service if you want to. Next, you need to make the locator available to your whole team. You'll need to ensure that the content item is shared with all the users who need access to the locator. To do this, go to Overview, click Share, and select Organization or Groups. After that, you need to be an ArcGIS locator to add to your whole organization. To do this, you need to go to Organization tab, click the Settings tab, select Utility Services from the left-hand menu. Under the geocoding section, select Add Locator. From the existing locator, find the locator item and put placeholder text if you want to, and click Save. The new locator will now appear in the list of locators. To verify the locator is now working, go to ArcGIS Online Map Viewer, select Map, and from the search drop-down, what3words should appear. And that's how you add the what3words locator to ArcGIS Online. Thank you for watching.